This is the H-6K, one of China's most recognizable and strategically important long-range bombers, a modernized evolution of the Soviet-designed Tu-16 Badger that has been extensively reimagined for the 21st century. At first glance, its large fuselage and swept wings give away its Cold War heritage, but the similarities end there. The H-6K is essentially a new aircraft under the skin, incorporating advanced avionics, modern turbofan engines, and state-of-the-art weapon systems to meet China's growing long-range strike needs. Designed for extended reach, it is capable of carrying both nuclear and conventional payloads deep into enemy territory, while staying well outside the range of hostile defenses. The H-6K takes its lineage back to the Soviet era, specifically the Tu-16 Badger, a large, long-range jet bomber introduced in the late 1950s. Following the end of World War II, many former allies split into rival camps, leading to a global arms race and the formation of two nuclear superpowers. As tensions escalated during the Cold War, the need for long-range strategic bombers became apparent. On June 28, 1945, the United States successfully tested the first atomic bomb in New Mexico, marking the beginning of the atomic age. This achievement stunned the world and immediately raised concerns among nations. The Soviet Union, led by Joseph Stalin, was particularly alarmed. Aware that his nation's industrial and technological capabilities were still lagging behind the West, he initiated the Soviet atomic project to develop their own nuclear weapons. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks, they managed to successfully test their first atomic bomb on August 29, 1949. Meanwhile, China's journey towards acquiring nuclear weapons was more complex. After the communist victory in the Chinese Civil War and the establishment of the People's Republic of China in 1949, Chairman Mao Zedong recognized the strategic value of nuclear capabilities. However, due to internal political conflicts and international tensions, it wasn't until the mid-1960s that China began serious efforts to develop its nuclear weapons program. In 1964, the Chinese successfully tested their first atomic bomb. In this rapidly changing landscape, the Soviet Union saw an opportunity to strengthen ties with newly communist China. As the rivalry between the US and USSR intensified, Stalin sought to forge strategic partnerships to counterbalance Western influence. In 1954, an agreement was reached to supply China with technology and equipment to produce the Tu-16 bomber. A total of 196 Tu-16s were delivered to China, laying the foundation for the H-6. These aircraft provided China with much-needed long-range strike capabilities, helping them respond to external threats. Over time, the Chinese invested significant resources into indigenously developing advanced aircraft and weapon systems. As the Cold War intensified, both the Soviet Union and China found themselves in a precarious position, each needing to secure strategic advantages against potential adversaries. Their collaboration on aviation technology played a pivotal role in this effort, shaping their respective defense capabilities during a pivotal moment in history. One of the standout features of the H-6K is its upgraded propulsion system. Replacing the older turbojet engines of previous H-6 variants, the K model uses efficient and powerful D-30KP turbofans imported from Russia. These engines offer several improvements over the previous models. They provide higher thrust-to-weight ratios, allowing the H-6K to achieve greater speed and climb performance. This enhanced power also enables the bomber to carry heavier payloads or sustain a higher sustained end turn rate, essential for evading enemy air defenses. The D-30KP to South are low-bypass engines designed specifically for high-altitude performance, ensuring the H-6K can operate effectively at the altitudes required to penetrate enemy airspace. Additionally, these turbofan engines are more fuel-efficient, extending the bomber's range and loiter time. This is crucial for long-range strike missions where extended reach and endurance are paramount. Overall, the adoption of the D-30KP turbofans has significantly improved the H-6K's operational capabilities. It enhances its strategic value as a long-range strike platform, allowing China to project air power over vast distances, while carrying substantial weapon payloads. The H-6K is designed to carry a wide variety of air-to-surface missiles, including the long-range CJ-10 cruise missile. These missiles provide the H-6K with an extended standoff range, enabling it to attack targets deep within enemy territory without exposing itself to direct retaliation. Each missile carried by the H-6K can travel over 1,500 kilometers, giving the bomber a significant advantage in terms of safety and reach. To accommodate these missiles, the H-6K features strengthened wing hardpoints capable of withstanding the aerodynamic forces generated during high-speed flight. Additionally, onboard equipment has been upgraded to handle the complexities of guiding and firing modern cruise missiles accurately towards their targets. The use of cruise missiles by the H-6K is a strategic choice aimed at mitigating risks and maximizing effectiveness. Cruise missiles offer a high degree of accuracy, ensuring that targets are struck with precision, minimizing collateral damage and increasing the likelihood of mission success. Moreover, cruise missiles can be equipped with various types of warheads, including conventional and nuclear options, providing the H-6K with a flexible and adaptable offensive capability. In terms of payload capacity, the H-6K is designed to carry up to 6 CJ-10A cruise missiles externally. This substantial payload allows for a diverse range of mission profiles, enabling the bomber to engage multiple targets simultaneously or to saturate air defenses with a barrage of incoming missiles. The combination of the H-6K's long range and the CJ-10A's extended reach makes it a potent force multiplier for China's military operations. By leveraging this capability, China can effectively project its air power over vast distances, potentially impacting regional security dynamics and power balances. Internally, the H-6K has a bomb bay that can be fitted with a variety of ordnance, depending on mission requirements. While smaller compared to heavy bombers like the American B-52, it still offers a considerable volume for payload carriage. For instance, it can accommodate to CJ-10 cruise missiles internally if necessary. Additionally, the H-6K has provisions for carrying nuclear gravity bombs, although the specifics of which types are carried are not publicly available. This capability reflects China's nuclear strategy, which includes utilizing conventional forces to deliver nuclear payloads when necessary. The utilization of the bomb bay allows for a stealthier approach to target engagement by keeping ordnance away from the bomber's main fuselage, reducing the aircraft's overall radar cross-section. This is particularly useful in scenarios where enemy air defenses are present, allowing the H-6K to approach targets with greater concealment. Overall, the H-6K's payload capabilities underscore its versatility as a long-range strike platform, whether carrying cruise missiles externally or internally or utilizing its bomb bay for various ordnance. The aircraft provides China with a flexible and adaptable force projection capability. Another important aspect of the H-6K's design is its structural modifications. Compared to previous H-6 variants, the K model incorporates improvements that enhance its overall performance and durability. One significant change is the use of composite materials in the construction of its wings and other components. Composite materials offer several advantages over traditional metal alloys used in aircraft construction. They are lighter, stronger, and more resistant to corrosion, which is particularly beneficial for a long-range bomber that operates over diverse terrains and climates. By incorporating composites into its airframe, the H-6K achieves a more favorable weight-to-payload ratio. This allows the aircraft to carry heavier loads, extend its range, or improve its overall efficiency. Additionally, these materials contribute to a reduction in maintenance costs and increased lifespan, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the H-6K fleet. The use of composite materials is a testament to China's advancements in aerospace engineering and manufacturing capabilities. It showcases the country's progress in adopting cutting-edge materials and technologies to enhance its defense capabilities. In terms of its operational role, the H-6K serves as a cornerstone of China's strategic bomber force, undertaking various missions that contribute to national defense and security objectives. One primary role of the H-6K is nuclear deterrence. As a carrier of nuclear-capable cruise missiles, the H-6K plays a vital role in China's nuclear triad, which involves delivering nuclear payloads via land-based missiles, submarine-launched missiles, and strategic bombers. This capability ensures that China's nuclear arsenal can be deployed as a last resort, deterring potential adversaries and maintaining strategic stability. Another important function of the H-6K is long-range strike. With its extended range, the H-6K can reach targets deep within enemy territory, providing China with the ability to engage high-value targets that are well protected by air defenses. These capabilities enable China to respond to external threats and protect its national interests when necessary. Additionally, the H-6K participates in joint military exercises, regularly engaging in activities with other branches of the People's Liberation Army. These exercises enhance interoperability between different military services, ensuring seamless coordination during actual operations. The H-6K's participation in exercises also demonstrates China's growing emphasis on joint warfare concepts, emphasizing the importance of integrated and coordinated military actions. Furthermore, the H-6K contributes to intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The aircraft's long-range capabilities allow it to conduct surveillance operations over vast areas, gathering valuable intelligence for military and intelligence agencies. The H-6K's advanced sensors and data link capabilities enable it to relay critical information back to command centers, providing decision-makers with timely and accurate intelligence. This intelligence-gathering capability is crucial for national security and defense planning, allowing China to monitor potential threats and make informed strategic decisions. Overall, the H-6K's versatile capabilities make it a valuable asset to China's military forces. Whether serving as a nuclear deterrent, conducting long-range strikes, or gathering intelligence, the H-6K plays a vital role in safeguarding national interests and maintaining regional stability. If you liked this video, please leave a comment to let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.